trio.
Hey, how are you doing? We're Katie and Stevie and we're here today for the most epic of collabs once again.
So excited. The song is called Para Borokare, and I think the English is like Be My Lover or something like that.
Yeah, what have they
But
called
it's not
it
on
then?
here, so...
But anyway, let's go see the ocean.
Yay!
With Jongkook and ATEEZ. I'm so excited for this.
Love that man.
How pose.
Hey! Oh,
Nice
nice
little
one.
lollipops.
I love this energy they've got. Oh my god, Mingi! Oh, the two like muscle men, like
Standing off. Oh my god, they're cute.
oh.
I like those outfits.
He's got a tennis shirt on, I love it.
The straw hat. Oh my god, the summer vibes are strong with this
Oh,
one.
someone looks so cute! Okay. Oh, can we turn it up? Oh my god! Wow. What?
Oh, my bias is together.
Oh, they look so good.
Beverage.
Oh my god, Sam. Oh, this is too much.
This is so
This is way too much. What angle?
Does it have to be that? Yes! Seonghwa rapping.
Oh my god! Who's that man?
Wait, is it both of
Oh my
I
god.
forgot what the group is called.
Turbo?
Yeah.
I don't know. Mingi looks so cute. I mean, they all look so cute, but I'm having a moment. Here he comes. Let's work it. He really looks like their dad. In a nice way.
He does. It's so cute.
What a beautiful voice.
Oh my god.
This is so much to take in. We need to watch this like 10 more times. Oh my god!
Do they even use their TikTok? I swear they're never on it. Lies.
Oh my god, I can't believe we've got a rap trio!
Katie, all of her dreams have come true today.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
I can't believe it.
I'm so happy.
Oh my god. Oh, we love a bit of Wooyoung.
I want to learn this dance.
Same, let's learn it.
Yes!
Let's do the challenge.
Is it meant to be like a workout?
Oh, it's so hard to say, like, there is
Yeah.
skipping then. Yo, if this song can get me as fit as that man, I'm willing. Oh goodness. It has,
It has.
thank you.
Oh, wow.
I'm so happy. Yes! Lay it!
I think my bias is Jongkook. I'm okay, I'm fine. It's just, you know, arms. It's just arms.
Big arms. Very large arms. Yum.
I feel like that is literally meant to be a workout. That is,
It is.
it's a workout.
It is, and I'm for it.
Branding on point. No one did Seonghwa's heart with him. Wow. Back to the beginning, please. Before we rewatch it again, I want to apologise to all viewers for me just not saying words and just wailing. I do apologise, but it's because rap trio.
Literally, it's exactly what we wanted.
Yeah. Like when are we still baby ATINY?
Yeah, I think
Like
so.
when we first got in and people were telling us about ATEEZ and they said how Seonghwa was like meant to debut as a rapper, but then like because him and Mingi have similar voices, they decided to make him a vocalist, and we were just immediately like, why can't you just stop? Like, why does it matter?
You can never have too
enough
many rappers in one group. They could all be rappers, and that would be
So we were kind of just like, you know, you do you, boo. And he did. I mean, I love Seonghwa as a vocalist. He's insane, but he's the duality, the talent, the
vibes.
I love that man. So
the straight vibes.
What a jam! What a jam!
Yeah.
I can't I don't even like. There's a lot to take in that video.
There's like the cuteness. There's the vocals. There's the rap trio, which I'm still not over. There's Kim Jong-kook just friggin' shiz up.
Yeah, and then another random man turned up. Please tell us who he is.
Is he a turbo man? Why is he not in like the title? Who is it? Where did that man come from?
Right, let's go. I'm going to be pausing a lot. Right, so straight up.
Power pose.
That is a power pose.
I've never seen such a... Wait.
It's stressing me out that everything's
backwards.
Does that mean something, or did they just not flip it? Dun, dun, dun. What does it mean?
Are we in like parallel ATEEZ world?
Or are we just clowns?
We might be clowns. But that's weird. Okay, let's carry on.
Ooh. Oh. Okay. I love that view.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's normal.
That's weird.
What does that mean? Are we reading too much into this?
Maybe they did just forget to flip it. But how would it have been flipped in the first place?
I remember because then it's
span.
It's span,
and now it's
and now they're in the same world.
ATINYs and KJK.
I love this like show off between the two muscle men. You know?
Yeah. Who do you think would win in a fight?
You know what? I actually don't know.
I actually don't know. I think it would just be one of those fights that goes on forever until someone is just like...
Jongkook is like insane.
Yeah.
But Jongho, you know.
He can snap the apples.
Yeah. I feel like he doesn't show us his full strength.
Yeah.
He's like saving it for God knows what. To fight this man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The final boss.
He is. Oh. There's too much. Okay.
I love all of the like couples.
Oh. Okay. First of all, vocals.
Yeah. Glorious.
And also these outfits.
Yeah, I really like this like denim blue white
vibe.
thing going on.
Yeah.
Mingi's outfit. Top notch.
Seonghwa's outfit.
Where is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And beautiful vocals. Again. And Mingi's back.
I'm so happy.
Oh, that was cool. Yeah. Bit of dry ice in the house. Okay, tennis man is wearing a tennis top, and I really appreciate that.
He does look like he's about to go in.
They should have had a clip of him playing tennis. I want to see that. Do you know what I noticed?
Favorite.
Right. First of all, that's what he does in and Yeosang is pretty much wearing what Wooyoung wore in that as well.
Oh yeah.
I think it's the same shirt. So yeah, does it mean anything, or am I just being ridiculous?
We are just probably being ridiculous. I think Yunho just likes doing that with a bucket hat, and I don't blame him because he looks really hot when he does it for some reason.
I want to go to like a villa with
Same!
and Kim Jong-kook
Same.
and just hang out for the summer.
It would be lovely.
And that's what they're asking, really. And the answer is yes. Thank you.
Just send over the plane ticket in our email.
What do you think they're drinking? What do you think ATEEZ's drinks of choice are? Let's go. Hongjoong.
Hongjoong, I reckon.
Aperol Spritz.
Yeah! I was... Yeah! bubbly, something fruity.
Yeah. Seonghwa.
I feel like they're a couple. Like they're the mom and dad, and I think that
So
they
want
would
to
be
get
on
a
the
couple
same.
drinks.
Yeah.
Okay, Aperol Spritz.
But maybe
who's
I reckon,
you know?
I reckon like Wooyoung would have a Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, defo. You know, like a woo woo.
Yes, a
Yeah,
woo
a woo woo.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm trying to like think of cocktails. I've forgotten all drinks.
Who's next? Yeosang. I feel like just straight up vodka.
Yeah, like just shots.
Straight up, yeah.
I think he just gets an IV drip straight into his arm of alcohol. Tequila.
Cosmopolitan.
Yeah, he can be a bit classy
Yeah,
sometimes. Like, Mingi will have juice. Just
Pina colada.
Oh,
Pina colada.
yeah.
Wooyoung, Blue
Who said
Lagoon,
that? Yeah.
and Jongho, whiskey.
Whiskey on the rocks.
Literally.
Actually, not even on the rocks. Warm. Just warm whiskey.
That man is hard. Back to the show. I mean, that is a cosmopolitan man.
Yeah, if ever there was one.
And
what's he doing?
it's my favourite drink.
Is he holding the umbrella? Like, but the end is a microphone?
Yes, they all look so good.
Wow.
Wow. Let's back it up a bit.
You know, looks like an anime dad. So cute. Why do they have to... Who's that man?
I'm just so proud of you! Oh my god. No wait, sorry.
Wow.
That's a great rap.
Beautiful. I just love the energy.
Why are there so many rubber rings in that pool?
Well, there's quite a lot of them there. To be
Oh,
honest.
like 20 though.
Well, they need a lot.
Oh, this is such a jam. I'm fuming. How dare they?
So cute. This is just...
That's my favourite movie.
so cute.
Are they going to try and make this a TikTok thing? Do we have to do this?
And it's
I think we could do that.
can do that. We'll look stupid doing it.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
go to the quarry. Be like,
Yeah.
I can't.
I'm so happy. I don't think I'll ever felt happy.
I like how they're like,
I'm-
oh yeah, I wrote my name in the sand, but they didn't have any sand, so they did it in mud instead.
Yeah.
Just dirt.
Don't like all these like combos they're giving us?
It's too much.
Yeah. They're all perfect.
It hurts. Wow. We can get hench with this song.
Yeah.
We can get arms.
I hope
like,
in the
KKK.
show that comes with this, I hope they actually do like a little workout section. I think they might. I think it was on the preview. They did that dance but with weights.
Oh.
I think that was sultry here.
Goodness gracious, don't
Nice
put
one.
women in the dark. It's not safe.
Oh. Thank you.
I love you too.
Oh, he's like teaching. Is he doing like a workout lesson? Ah.
So cute. Why does no one ever complete Seonghwa's heart? It's always just left hanging.
Oh
No.
my god! I love it so much.
It's so
I love
cute.
it so much.
It's so cute and so fun, and it just makes my heart happy. I'm just thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That was lovely.
Yeah.
It's what we needed.
I think he should just join ATINYs, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
9 makes 1 team.
9 makes 1 team. Guys, I don't know if you could tell, but we really liked it. So we'd love to know if you did too. So share your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more ATINYs videos. We have a few already up, so go and check them out. And we'll see you guys soon. Bye!